think one of the best things about the holidays is digging into some of our favorite comfort foods without having to feel guilty, right? I mean, it's been one heck of a year, and we've earned a little guilt-free comfort. Our family and friends have too. And since I can't think of a better way to spread a little comfort than a soft, spoonable pudding, I've got 3 of them to share with you for our very last class of the year, coming this Saturday, holiday puddings. First up will be my take on what's called sticky toffee pudding. And if you love dates, you're going to love this pudding because it's got a lot of them. These individual puddings are baked in cups, they're drenched in butterscotch sauce, and then they're turned out and dressed up with ice cream and more sauce. Oh, be still my sweet tooth. Now, if chocolate is your holiday pleasure, you're going to love our little chocolate puddings. Now, the French call this dessert pot de crème, which translates as, "You've never had chocolate pudding this good before, mister," more or less. They are pretty rich, and a little goes a long way, so we bake them in small ramekins and garnish them with just a dab of whipped cream. And while those 2 are baking, I'll show you how we make a simple stovetop eggnog pudding, a special treat for all the eggnog lovers in your life. Now, I know you're going to love all 3 of these recipes. And as I mentioned, this is our last class of 2025, so I hope you can join us and ring out the year. And don't forget, if you can't join us live, you can always join us later because you get full access to the recipes and the replay. Take care. Thanks for watching today.